Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to unbox and review the INIU Powerbank I purchased on Amazon a while ago. It is a powerbank that I have not had to use because I've been having so many other ones, but this is one from a brand I trust and that I had spare. Now, I'm just about to go on a vacation to Hungary, to the city of Budapest, the capital of Hungary, and so for my filming needs with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, with all my smartphones and gadgets, I thought that it would be a good time to take the INIU Powerbank out of its box and put it through its paces. Anyway, hopefully that introduction hasn't put you to sleep. We'll check the drop-offs in YouTube metrics at a later point. But for now, I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife to cut into the label that keeps the two bits of cardboard together. The packaging, as with many other INIU products, is quite plastic light. So what you have here in the box is the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank, which is quite a brick, in a little plastic bag. Let's open that up. Ooh, wow. It's quite the chunky one. So this is the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank. We'll look at that in a moment. But first, let's see what else is in the box. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And we also have a little bag. So as with other INIU power banks that we've unboxed and reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, you have a mesh bag, soft touch bag, which should make it easy to carry in other bags and not have it scratched or damaged. There's a little pull strap at the top with a fastener. So nice little power bank bag with the INIU branding on the corner. The cable itself, as you can see, is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. It does have INIU branding very subtly embossed on the USB Type-C connectors. And let's move on to the power bank itself. So this is quite the chunky one. At the top here, you can see that it has a few readouts. So you can charge this power bank at 100 watts. So yes, I will likely be pairing this with my VoltMe charger at 100 watts. And that's both in and out. It has a secondary output at 45 watts, and you can also use USB-A cables if you have one appropriate for 18 watt charging. So that's ideal for phones like the Google Pixel 8a, which I am taking with me, and will be pairing with my DJI OM5. So soft touch plastic, I'm not too worried about it in the short term. With INIU branding, there's a little subtle finish here in gloss that says fast charge, power bank designed by INIU. On the right hand side, there's a little power button, and if we press that, it gives you a readout of what the current charge is. So as it comes out of the box, it has a 50% charge or 52% charge. And then over here, something that we've seen before on power banks is a little stand. So this is a way that you could put your phone, your smartphone, on the power bank to use it as a stand. So whilst you're charging, you could also be watching a video. So handy little feature in there. I use this when traveling in situations where, for example, I'm on a train and there is no plug to plug into. I will use that with my power bank. But this is, for the weight, for the size of the power bank in terms of its capacity, 25,000 mAh, it is pretty impressive. Now let's do a quick test. My Google Pixel 8, sorry, no, this is actually the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, has just had its battery run down a bit. So it's not going to be a fastest charging capability, but I'm going to use the Tukey reader that we have already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, plug into the 100 watt USB Type-C port, and then plug into the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's at 50% charge, so this should charge pretty rapidly. So yeah, it says that it's fast charging. Things are obviously stabilizing here, fast charging, and it's gone to 15, 17, so it's currently charging at 18, okay, up to 20 watts. So things are stabilizing. It's gone up to 26 watts. That's really not bad for a power bank. We'll need to see if in the appropriate conditions, both in terms of temperature and overall setup, we can get this to achieve what is advertised. But to do that, obviously, I'll need to take this on my vacation with me. As far as the weather forecast says, the weather in Budapest should be ideal for testing power banks because the temperatures are around about 20 degrees Celsius during the day. And I will update you later in this video. But for now, thanks for watching up to this point. If an ad comes up in the transition between now and the future, the time we finish this review, please do watch that ad. You'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you want to support us, you can also subscribe. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, things like power banks, which we believe make the travel experience better. And thanks for watching this far. I'll see you soon. And with magic, I'm back. That's the magic of editing. So it's been a few weeks since I unboxed the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank, and I've been using it whilst traveling, whilst commuting, and sometimes whilst at home because I just really can't be bothered getting up off the sofa. It's something that I think is a really, really good power bank. Now, 25,000 mAh is a lot of power storage. It's something that requires a significant battery size. And the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank that I'm using is definitely a chunky one. You can see it here with the Google Pixel 8a. It does fast charge my devices. So with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I managed to get charging speeds up to 35 watts. With my MacBook Air 15, I managed to get it all the way up to 60 watts. So as far as a fast power bank, it really does charge quickly when charging other devices. Likewise, when charging it up, it charges very, very quickly. So I'm very happy with this. In the situation where you're maybe on a long trip, you will have potentially a stopover in an airport lounge. This is the sort of power bank that you can use whilst on the go and top up when you do get access to a plug. Obviously, to do that, you'll need an appropriately fast charger and an appropriately fast cable. You need to make sure you get those things right. And if you do that, this, I think, is the perfect travel companion for situations when you're going to be not always having access to power, and maybe you're using your mobile devices, whether that's a laptop, tablet, smartphone, or even earphones. When you need to top them up, this is a great power bank to do that. Now, the screen and the LCD display is not the brightest one, so in bright light conditions, such as direct sunlight, it may suffer a bit in terms of legibility, but it's not all that important. In terms of how much power I got out of this power bank, in one of my travel days, I managed to get 20 to 60% charge on my MacBook Air 15, similar charge, but all the way up to 90% on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and topped up my iPhone 15. And this left me with around about a 30% charge, according to the display on the front of the device. So in my experience, using it in temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius all the way down to 6-7 the other morning whilst I was going into the office, this INIU 25,000 mAh power bank really delivers and does a really good job. The only downside, as I said, is it's a bit thick and chunky, and the bag that comes with it, I'm not sure if it's there to protect the power bank itself or if it's there to protect the other things in your bag. This is, in my experience, a really chunky, solid bit of kit, which is going to really improve your travel experience, if that's something that you plan on doing. Anyway, I'll leave, as usual, a link in the description to where you can purchase this INIU 25,000 mAh power bank on Amazon UK. Bear in mind that over the next few days there is going to be a Prime Day sale on Amazon here in the UK. You may get it further discounted. It is a relatively expensive power bank with a recommended retail price of around about £70 sterling. But if you can get any discount on that, I think it's a definite buy from me. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far into this review of the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. Yes, that includes fashion, such as my shirt as well. Anyway, again, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.